Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
Pollinator tables get sneaky fast, but this one cracks quickly if you compare exactly who visited which flower and test each statement against the data. To check these choices, focus on the exact species, pollinator, and flower type named in each statement. Then compare the matching table entries instead of guessing from color words alone. For option D, use the bumblebee counts for M. cardinalis. Mutant is 73.6 and wild type is 1.0, so dividing 73.6 by 1.0 gives about 74, or approximately 70. That matches the wording in option D, while the other choices misread which species, pollinator, or comparison the table actually supports. Well done! Option D. Scan now. The trap is rushing signs and comparisons. The rule is trust given data and check each step carefully.